Boom, how's that? We're doing another video here on a vacuum cleaner. This is the Shark Navigator lift away. This is my second one. The other one I had about probably 12 years ago. And look, this is the reason why we need the power lift away. The other one I ran over the cord. Hair. Yeah, I ran over the cord a bunch of times and it finally broke. Then I had another Shark, and then I took it to a rental property and vacuumed up a bunch of nails and pennies, and it just stopped working as well. But I had that one for like 3 years.
Wonder why.
Yeah, so it's time for another one. The other one does still work, so I'm going to keep using that one for
the nails and pennies.
Nails and pennies and a rental. So anything for outside. So. Watch out! I think this might be upside down. I'm just gonna
just dump it.
Put it together. There's cord. And this is
so the retractable cord.
Like that. No, this one doesn't have a retractable cord, but that's okay. Those break anyway. All right. So you're just gonna pop that down like that. Then, see, I need to still, even though I've had one of these, I still kind of need to read the directions. But slides down like that. Let's see.
Snaps into place.
Let's see, there's C. ABC. Ready? Next piece. That lines up. Clicks in. And click in right there. And where's this go?
Garbage?
No, it goes in the thing somewhere.
Is that an extension holder or something?
I think so. Accessory holder. Probably on here. Yeah, this down here like that. So you take that off. And there's a little picture down the bottom. Snap that on. Then you can put that back on.
There's your accessory holder.
Is this upside down? Because it's not supposed to be sticking up like that.
I don't know. If it snapped on one way, right? There you go.
Oh, it goes like that. And then put that on there. Or I guess whichever one you want. Probably use that one on there. That way.
Trial by error. Or violence. Or the other.
Okay, so that goes like that.
Cord wrappy.
Yep. Brand new cord.
Oh, it is a brand new vacuum cleaner.
Yep. No running over. Don't run over this cord. That's how you get it going on there.
That's always fun. She chooses violence. Yeah. Well, that dog hair up and he just rolled into the carpet.
Alright, just that one spot. Let's see how we get this off of here. Oh, please. Where'd it go?
Thing in the front.
This one?
Yeah.
This one.
Probably
this is different than my old one. The heck? Here, hold on.
I think there's a snap on both sides.
Ah! Alright, look at that. Just that one spot.
We are nasty.
Here, let's go dump it out. You just push on that to get the bottom to open. just that one spot.
Disgusting.
Look at that. That's what happens when you have 4 dogs. Put it back on. Pops on. The other one was a little easier taken off, but I mean, that's not too bad.
Shark navigator.
Boom Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, share.